Hey guys, Elliot here from Worldwide Auctioneers, and we don't just have muscle cars, classic cars, and exotic cars. We also have French cars, because what we're in right now is a 1998 Renault Sport Spider. A pretty unique offering for us. This was never available in the United States. In fact, this car was delivered new in Japan, believe it or not. So a French car got delivered to Japan. But now with the 25-year rule, these are legal to import into the United States. And so someone has. And this is a very unique car. It's got not much in the way of equipment, not much in the way of speed. It's more of a pure driver's car. It's only got 150 horsepower, but because it only weighs 2,100 pounds, it gets busy with that 150 horsepower. Now, it doesn't have much in the ways of equipment either. You don't get outside door handles, air conditioning, ABS, traction control, heat, or any of that nonsense, or even a top. But you do have a heated windshield, which is pretty unique. This whole car is a very fun little driver's car. No power steering, just you and the road. And I think it looks really cool. Not to mention, when you go to get in and get out of the car, the doors go up. So needless to say, this would be a hit at any car show or Cars and Coffee. You can almost be sure there will be nobody else there with a Renault Sport Spider. This thing is really cool, and like I said, I just wanted to share one of the more unique offerings that we have at our upcoming 55th Auburn auction right here in Auburn, Indiana. We're gonna have over 300 classic cars, unique cars, and even one French car for sale, many of which going up for no reserve. So if you can't be here in person, you can always bid on the phone, bid online, but trust me, to see goofy cars like this, you're gonna wanna get here to Auburn, Indiana for our 55th Auburn auction. We'll see you at the end of August.